This is another edition of African Food Corner, and today's edition will be walking you through how to prepare ekuru, a popular food known in southwest region of Nigeria. It's popularly known with Yoruba people. Ekuru is a food prepared from beans. These are the ingredients for making ekuru. We have white beans, which is the best choice for the process. We have bitter leaf. This is the bitter leaf here, and this is the processed bitter leaf. And we have momo, skin, goat skin. This is a dry fish that we use to make stew for the ekuru. This salt, onion, pepper with tomato, Maggi, and local beans, Iru, as commonly known in Yoruba. We have memo leaf, known in Yoruba as Ewiole. And these are the things we are going to mix together for making of ekuru. In this process. The first stage of the process is that we are going to peel the beans, pouring the beans inside the water and get it soaked, and so that it can be easy for us to peel. Already peeling the beans, and you can either peel it with mortar and pestle or make use of other means. Inside, you can peel inside bowl or any other means that feel convenient for you. We are done with the peeling. This is the peel beans. The next stage now is that we want to grind the beans, and then from there we continue from there. The peeled beans is now ground, and when you are grinding your own, make sure that you do not add pepper and tomato. It should be ground. It should be ground separately. Aside that, make sure that it's firm and make sure that it's not watery, so that you can achieve the aim of making ekuru. The next stage of the process is stirring of the ground beans. You have to stir it rigorously, that it will become puff at the end of the day. Aside that, you mustn't add water at all during the stirring process. See the way I'm doing it, it is energetic and it might be demanding. Now we want to know if what we have stirred is puffed enough, so that we can start to go to another stage of the process. The only way we can know that enough is that we have to test it inside water. Can you see the way I'm doing it now? You will take little of it and drop it inside water. You can see that it floats on water, and that simply tells us that it's puff. And then we are done with stirring. We are now in another stage now. But before we move on, we have to tell you that the process starts with peeling of the beans, grinding of the beans, stirring, rigorous stirring, and now we are in another stage. We want to wrap the ground beans with the leaf, so that we can set it on fire for it to be prepared and get cooked. Okay, we are now setting for the wrapping of the ground beans inside the leaf. Setting it on fire now. See the way I'm arranging it inside the pot. It has to be logically arranged, so that the whole thing will not be messed up. See? Now, let's have a brief recap of what I've been doing so far. You all know that we started the process with peeling of beans, grinding of beans, rigorous stirring, checking the puffness of the beans, and we also wrap the ground beans inside leaf away. What we have been doing so far. See, it's getting cooked, almost done. Another section of this preparation is that I want to prepare stew for our ekuru. Now we already placed pan oil on fire. Then I want to add the pepper into the fire. We are making use of a catfish, dried one. I'm washing it. We are cutting the fish into smaller pieces. Then I'm adding seasoning. This Maggi, to be precise. I'm adding salt. I have to stir it together after adding seasoning. I'm adding the fish into the stew. I'm stirring it now. You want to prepare bitter leaf stew. See? Pan oil is already on fire. You want to add the pepper. I'm adding local beans. Commonly known in YORUBA as to our stew or bitter leaf. I'm adding momo to the stew. See? I'm adding seasoning. Stirring. Stir. I'm adding salt. This is the bitter leaf. I want to add it into the stew. See? Spreading it all over evenly. See? Then stir it together, mix it thoroughly with the stew. I'm mixing it. See? This is the bitter leaf for our ekuru. See? Our bitter leaf soup and stew is not done, and we are ready for dishing of the food. This is our ekuru. This is the stew. This is bitter leaf stew. The combination of the three make a good delicacy of ekuru. I will be taking it out for you to see. This is the well prepared, well cooked ekuru. You take it and you unwrap it, put it inside the plate. Yeah. See. Then how we had the bitter leaf. See on it. See what I've been doing. and then add our stew. This ekuru, what we have been doing so far, you can see that it's very appealing to the sight, and I can tell you that it will be very delicious when it comes to taste. Yeah. What we do now is that you have to squeeze everything together, mix it together with the hand, and then it's now ready for consumption. This is ekuru, yeah, mixed with vegetable and stew. It's a core pap. See the way I'll be combining the two together. See, very yummy, so delicious, and also tries this kind of delicacy.